Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Klaviyo email campaigns with export and campaign backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Klaviyo email campaigns, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Select the specific campaign you wish to backup from the list provided. Once you've opened the campaign, locate the Export button, which is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Export button to download your campaign details. Choose the format you prefer for your export, often available in CSV or Excel formats. After selecting your preferred format, click the Export button again to initiate the download. Once the file is downloaded, save it in a dedicated folder on your device for easy access later. Next, to ensure all your campaigns are stored, repeat this process for each campaign you wish to backup. For campaign backups within Klaviyo, return to the Campaigns tab. On the right side, find the Campaign Backups link. Click on it to view the list of existing backups. If you want to create a new backup, select the Create Backup option. Follow the prompts to finalize your new campaign backup. Confirm the backup by checking that it appears in the list of stored backups. To restore a backup, select the backup you want to restore from the list. Follow the prompts to load this backup into your active campaigns. This process will ensure your email campaigns are safely backed up and easily retrievable when needed. By following these steps, you can maintain a secure archive of your Klaviyo email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.